train kept it rolling, the Aerosmith version. We're going to start out with this unison bends. Little E minor pentatonic kind of riff. So we're bending the 14 on the G with the 12 on the second string, staying there. It's one of those unison bends. We're going to do that twice. Then come down here to a 5-3-0 on the B string. But we're also going to play the G string open with that little chord thing. So the 2 on the D string, that E note there. You might slide that one up. Do it again. You might hit a little second string, a little open a little bit there, kind of ringing together. Now the main rhythm, we got that. Okay, so we got the G power chord, big 3 and 5 here. You can use whatever fingers you want. I'm going. So we're going down to the E5 down here, open in 2. Now you could kind of cheat this and go. And just hit the opens instead of having to go down to that chord. But that's why I kind of rearranged this A over here to kind of come down below the E, because if you can hit them all really big, it sounds really big. So I'm not sure exactly which way they did it, but up to you. Okay, so we had G, 2 E's, G, G, E, G. Do that twice. Now you can come up to this 5-7 for your A if you want to make that one easy. But I kind of think as opposed to going, it's easier to try to go down just by moving that finger, right? So we got. Back to the G. Then we start on A. So that was B power chord, 2 and 4 in the A string there. To the A. And then G, F sharp, back to G. Starts the rhythm again. So 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's like your basic form. So let's look at that beginning again. We had. 3, 4. Twice on that. A. Back. Turn around. Starts again. Okay, so that's that killer little middle section there. So we hit this E, we let it ring out, and then the last 2 16th notes of the measure we have open to 2 on the A, so it's the new measure starts with open to open, D to A, so it's like 2 to open on the D pull off. And that's like a measure of 2-4, I believe, if I remember right. So it's like. Okay, so we have the E, and then open to 2 on the A string, D to A, pull off, 2, 1, open, big 3, double hit the E, double hit. Same exact riff as we did before. Now this time we're gonna go 0, 2, 3 on the A string, 2 A's. We're moving the riff up to the D string now. Okay, so D string, open to 2, G string, open back to the 2, 2-0 on the G, 2-1-0 on the D, 3 A's, 0, 2, 3. Okay, same riff again to the A, and then we go to the big one. 0, 2, 3, back on the E. So we got the A notes, and then back to the big string. Then E's. We got that same riff in E. Again. Okay, so the whole thing one more time is 3, 4. Okay, and then they get into a B5 power chord. You got that 2, 4, 4. So it's gonna go. Okay, so we're starting on the 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's actually like 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're gonna double hit, starting on the 6s. So from 6 to 9, we double hit that. So we're gonna ride this thing up. We got. Okay, get up into the 10th fret, that's our G. Okay, so you had the 2 G's at the beginning of that measure. Then you got. So E, G, G, E, G. And that starts the new rhythm. The old rhythm. So when we do that, we're gonna come in that, we're gonna go. Straight to the A, back, turn around, a little bit of a bend right here, and then that's where they go into like the live version, which kind of mixes things up a little bit, but I just love those riffs in the middle there. I thought those pentatonic to flat fifth, E minor pentatonic flat fifth riffs going into the C and the G chord changes and stuff were really fantastic. So train kept it rolling. Aerosmith got some tabs with this. Hope you all dig it. Talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.